see LeBron Barbie doll. They call it a Barbie doll, but wouldn't it be a Ken doll?
It is a Ken doll.
It is a Ken doll, man. You can call it a LeBron doll, whatever you want. It's still a Ken doll. It's still gonna be Ken and Barbie, or Barbie and Ken, whatever it is, however it is gonna be. But yeah, it's just a interesting partnership that they're doing. It was really
Yeah,
really interesting, But it's all about making money. It's all about how you market yourself, and that's what LeBron's doing it for.
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
I think it's a good look. I think it'll probably help the NBA. Probably draw some more attention to the NBA. We know that the NBA is kind of lacking on the ratings and whatnot. I will say that it is a very likable doll of him. It looks like him. Whoever did that should have actually did the statue for Dwayne
Dwayne
Wade.
Wade.